Yes, I have been waiting for my food over 30 minutes. Can you please check my order?
Okay, one second. Sorry, sir, can you wait 10 minutes?
10 more minutes. Can I see your manager?
Hello everyone. I call you guys for today meeting is because we have been a lot of customer complaints because of their waiting time, and it is due to our low employee productivity. And the main three issues that I have noticed is the first issue is because there were a lot of low employee staff. The second one is because the ingredients are not available on time compared to the customer demand. And then the last one is because of the long working hour, the employees are being burned out. So how will we address these issues? And we will target these topics for this today.
Yeah, definitely. We need more steps. Few people handling too much. So what's your take, employee representative?
Because there is no enough employee, each employee has to do more tasks than they need to do. So we really need more staff and employee to solve this issue.
Okay, it's tough on team. We are trying to manage, but it's not easy with less staff to manage these all tasks. So I think we need to hire more staffs to manage these issues.
I want to propose an idea. How about we hire more part-timers, like especially for busy hours? I think it will solve the issue for now. Like hiring someone with good quality is harder. It is the current solution.
Yeah, good idea. Maybe we can swap steps if they need to, so there is no one working late.
Swapping shift is also a really good idea because we can also offer a bonus program to give them motivation for all the employees to work motivatedly, and no one has to work for too long as we will implement the swapping shift programs.
So I'm bored of these issues. We should solve it as soon as possible, and we should keep customers happy.
Okay, perfect. So now let's move to the next issue. How will we solve about the long working hours?
Alright, we can break up the shifts into smaller shifts. Like for example, if an employee work for 3 hours, for after every 3 hours we can give 1 hour for their rest time. So after 1 hour, they will become more energetic and continue their work more effectively. I think that will be a better idea.
Yeah, I agree. It's a good idea. We can make sure that everyone get enough break so they can refresh and recharge themselves for next shift.
Okay, I'll work a schedule that's more balanced between employees.
Okay, so now how will we fix the problem of low food supply?
This has been a big problem. We need a backup plan for this, or we need earlier order or good supplies so we can manage this one.
We can start the better order earlier and have backup options ready.
Real-time update on stocks will be a better idea because if something is missing, we can know and fill in the stocks.
Right, so now I will manage the supply chain better and then work on the tracking system. And I will give the restaurant manager a task to track a very good supplier.
Yeah, it's better. I will start looking for better backup suppliers.
Now that we have found solutions for all our issues, I think that's enough for today. We will implement these solutions and then we will check in after 2 weeks. Let's hope for the best and increase in productivity.
Okay, thank you for listening to us.
Yeah, excited to see the changes.
Yeah, let's make it happen.
Inshallah.
Customer.
No, the food is too fast today.